today? Monday. And what happened on Mondays? Yes, you got it right. New recipe. Today I will prepare Por Pia Tod. It is deep fried spring roll with pork, shrimp and vegetables. Of course, you can cook it without meat and shrimp if you prefer. Are you ready? Let's go! Spring roll pastry, sugar, mushroom powder, black pepper, garlic, black jelly mushroom, shiitake mushroom, shrimp, sesame oil, carrot, cabbage, mushroom soy sauce, marinade minced pork, and grass noodle. To start, I will take care of vegetables. Now all vegetables are ready. Then I will stir fry everything together. Add sesame oil. Then add some garlic. Cook garlic until it's turned brown color. Then add some minced pork and shrimp. Soy sauce. Add some sugar. Add some mushroom powder. And black pepper. Is cooked, add some glass noodle. Then add all vegetables. It looks a lot, but when you stir fry, it will become small.
are you doing, Sunshine? What are you doing?
Tasty. Yum. I will add some black pepper. Now that we fried everything already, we can make spring roll. Oh, and by the way, I forget to tell you in ingredients that we need 1 egg to help to close spring roll. This is how to make a spring roll. First, bring your spring roll pastry. Then, put your garnish on the middle. And now, fold it and make it tight. And then roll it 1 round for the corners. Put some egg on your spring roll pastry like this and roll it. It will help your spring roll pastry stick together. I want to eat all, but I will deep fry only 4 or 5 pieces only, and the rest I will keep it for later. You can use it as a snack or a starter. Perfect to impress your friends. You can serve with Thai sweet chili sauce. Check on my recipe to know how to prepare homemade one. Also, you can serve with fresh salad. It will help balancing the oily aspect. As usual, please consider subscribing if you like my videos. Share, comment, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ